Hey mamas! You know that feeling you get when you walk into a house that needs a little love? It's full of potential, just waiting to be brought back to life. That's how I see relactation. Whether you've had to stop breastfeeding for a bit or you're just looking to increase your milk supply, I'm here to tell you that it's possible. We're going to walk through this together, step by step, just like we do with those fixer-uppers. So, grab a glass of sweet tea, get comfy on the couch, and let's dive into the world of relactation together. Just like laying the foundation for a house, the early moments with your baby are crucial. Skin-to-skin contact is the bedrock of relactation, creating a secure and loving environment. Hold your baby close to your chest as often as you can. This closeness fosters a sense of safety and warmth. Let their sweet little cheeks feel the warmth of your skin, creating a comforting and familiar touch. Let them breathe in your scent, which is uniquely yours and incredibly soothing to them. And let them hear the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat, a sound they recognize from the womb. You see, when you and your baby are in that close embrace, your body releases oxytocin, that incredible hormone that not only encourages milk production, but also strengthens that deep, unbreakable bond between you. This bond is the foundation of your relationship. Don't worry about having all the answers right now. It's okay to take things one step at a time. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate the small victories and cherish each moment. Now let's talk about pumping. Aim for 8 to 10 pumping sessions each day, trying to mimic your baby's natural feeding schedule. This tells your body, hey, we need more milk here, and kicks those milk-making factories into gear. It's a commitment, but trust me, the rewards are immeasurable. And just like any good renovation, there might be a few bumps along the way. Keep at it, mama. Consistency is key, and those little drops will soon turn into a steady flow. You know how much I love bringing in the experts on my projects? They bring a wealth of knowledge and experience that can make all the difference. They're the ones with the know-how to turn those design dreams into a reality. Their expertise is invaluable, and they can provide insights that you might not have considered. Well, think of a lactation consultant as your relactation design expert. They are the architects of your breastfeeding journey, helping you navigate the complexities with ease. They're here to guide you every step of the way, offering personalized advice and support tailored to your unique needs. Whether you're starting from scratch or re-establishing your milk supply, they have the tools and knowledge to assist you. They can help you with everything from proper latching techniques, ensuring that your baby is feeding effectively and comfortably, to finding the perfect breastfeeding positions for you and your baby. This can make a huge difference in your comfort and your baby's ability to feed well. Don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant if you have any questions or concerns. They are there to provide reassurance and practical solutions to any challenges you might face. There's a whole team of experts ready to support you on this journey. From initial consultations to ongoing support, they are dedicated to helping you achieve your breastfeeding goals. Just like a garden needs sunshine and water to thrive, your body needs the right nourishment to produce milk. Think of it as fueling your relactation journey with delicious, wholesome foods that nourish both you and your little one. Load up on leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are packed with vitamins and minerals that support milk production. Incorporate oats into your diet. They're like little powerhouses of lactation-boosting goodness. And don't forget about healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. When you nourish your body, you're also nourishing your milk supply. You know, one of my favorite things about working on Fixer Upper is seeing a community come together to support a family in need. And just like those families, you deserve a strong support system during your relactation journey. Talk to your partner, your family, your friends. Let them know what you're going through and how they can help. Open up about your goals and the challenges you face, whether it's lending a listening ear, offering words of encouragement, or sharing their own experiences, or simply taking on a few extra chores around the house. Their support can be invaluable. Every little bit of support makes a difference. It can be as simple as someone watching the baby for a few hours so you can rest, or helping with meal prep to ensure you're well nourished. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Building a supportive environment around you makes the journey brighter and the challenges easier to handle. Remember, you are not alone in this. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, and together you can achieve your relactation goals. Now, sometimes, just like those unexpected hiccups we face during renovations, we might need a little extra help along the way. That's where supplemental nursing systems, or SNS, come in. If your baby is having trouble latching or you're concerned about their milk intake, an SNS can be a game changer. It allows your baby to get the nourishment they need while still stimulating your milk supply through the natural act of sucking. If you're considering using an SNS, talk to your lactation consultant. They can help you choose the right system for your baby's needs and guide you on how to use it effectively. As you navigate the world of relactation, remember this: it's a journey, not a race. There will be good days and challenging days, moments of joy and moments of doubt. But through it all, remember that you are doing an incredible thing for your baby. Every drop of milk you produce is a testament to your love and dedication. Embrace the process, celebrate the small victories, and never underestimate the power of a mother's love. Thank you for joining me on this journey of rediscovering the beauty and strength of breastfeeding.